Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm David Taylor and today we're talking about South Africa's best cars. Yes, that's right. CarsAwards, sponsored by ABSA, is back. Let's go.
Think of a car, any car. Yes, Cars.co.za. Let's find what moves you.
From 65 semi-finalists, we've narrowed it down to 39 finalists across 13 categories. Now, these categories, they're pretty much everything across the ever-changing South African motoring landscape. So you get your budget cars and go all the way to your high-end luxury SUVs. Right, so about these categories, let's check them out. Starting from the bottom, best budget car and your finalists, Hyundai Exter, Mahindra XUV 3XO, and the Suzuki Swift, the brand new one. And I've driven that Suzuki Swift, and I think that is a very good car. Moving on, best compact hatch, Volkswagen Polo, Suzuki Baleno, Honda Fit. Too close to call in my opinion. Best budget crossover, Kia Sonet, Suzuki Fronx, Toyota Urban Cruiser. Another real close segment. Next up, best compact family car, Kia Seltos, locally built Toyota Corolla Cross, and the Volkswagen T-Cross. That's going to be interesting. Onwards, family car. I mean, we all need a family car. Mums, dads, children, all of it. Right, family car, Chery Tiggo 8 Pro Max, Kia Sportage and Volkswagen Tiguan. And that new Tiguan, freshly launched off the boat and ready to elbow the previous winner, the Sportage, out. Now we start getting into the premium stuff. Premium crossover, BMW X2, Mini Countryman and the Volvo XC40. I really like that new Mini, but it's huge. Should we start calling it the Maxi instead? And now the big boys, and this is where you want the Powerball. Executive SUV, BMW X3, locally built now by the way, Lexus NX and the Mercedes-Benz GLC, which was last year's winner. Best premium SUV, BMW X5, Lexus RX and Mercedes-Benz GLE. Best adventure SUV, I mean of course, we've got South Africa, beautiful country, let's go exploring. Ford Everest Wildtrak, which was last year's winner, Land Rover Defender, and let's not forget the brand new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. And coming soon, we will have an exclusive road test against one of its brand new rivals of the Prado. Stay tuned. What's an awards competition without Bakkies? And we've got two categories this year. Best Leisure Double Cab, Ford Ranger, Isuzu D-Max, and Toyota Hilux. And then we've got the ultimate double cab, you know, the serious Bakkies. Ford Ranger Raptor, the brand new Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster, and the GR Sport Toyota Hilux. Can the Raptor defend its title? We'll have to wait and see. Performance car, let's go fast. Audi RS3. BMW M2. Mercedes AMG A45. That is going to be the tough one to choose. I love all three of those cars. I can't choose my favorite. And now finally, electric cars, because you know they're slowly coming in dribs and drabs. And this year's finalists, the BMW iX1, which won last year, the Mini Countryman SE All 4, and the Volvo EX30. Now that EX30, it's more hatchback than SUV, but it's an absolute rocket, and it's surprisingly well priced. So let's see how that'll fare in this year's competition. It's quite the mix of cars, don't you think? I mean, there's something for everyone, and I'm sure by now you're already picking your favorites. I mean, I already am. So where to from here? Well, in the first week of November, my colleagues and I will be taking all 39 vehicles through their paces at Geratech testing facility. We've used this place plenty of times, I'm sure you've seen it. It is the perfect place to conduct repeatability testing, chassis control dynamics. It's a fantastic place to safely evaluate cars. So our scoring as the judges only constitutes 50% of the overall result. The other 50%, well, that's you, the consumer, you know, the people who actually buy these vehicles. And our ownership survey will expose all the negatives and positives you love about your car. If you hate it, tell us. If you love it, tell us. The winners will be announced in February 2025, and you can follow all the social media action with hashtag CarsAwards across all your favorite social media platforms. That's today's video wrapped up. I will link all you need to know about CarsAwards 2024-2025, sponsored by ABSA, in the description below. And as always, if you're looking for a new or used car, 75,000 vehicles are at your fingertips on the Cars.co.za app. See you next week. Okay, bye.
Think of a car, any car. Yes, Cars.co.za. Let's find what moves you.